Here we have a great example of Humboldt liquid sunshine. Yeah. Crazy good. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, this thing wants to go downstream. Oh yeah, girth. Girth. I can't let it take me down the river. Oh man, oh there it is. Did I lose it? Nope, it swam back to the hole. Okay. It's right with me. It's right with me. Oh no! There it is. There it is. So scary. Oh, it's gonna turn me all the way around. Oh, it's got me bent under the boat. Come on, buddy. Ho 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 ho! Hope the camera battery lasts. Come on, don't fail me now. Now it's pulling me back into the hole. I like that. I gotta get back in the eddy. Oh, there's my weight. There's my weight. Come on for a look. Oh! Come on. Come on. There it is. Oh, there it is. Nice 10-pounder. Okay. I'm in the eddy. This is a blessing. Come on. Come to me, baby. Oh, she's still hot. She's still hot. Boy, I'm glad she's not too big to get in this net right here. Oh, counting my chickens right now. Okay, one more time up. One more time up. Oh, it's at least 10 pounds. One more time up. There she is. There she is. Easy now, baby. Easy. Flip the bail. Okay, let that go. Oh. You gotta make sure you're actually filming. Oh, she's beautiful. Oh. Okay, come on. Come on. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's okay. It's all right. It's all right. Let me get that hook. Oh. What a blessing. Oh, look at her. Oh, at least 10 pounds, probably 12. Isn't that kind of our common number? Oh, 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 look at her. Look at her. Oh. She's gonna take off out of my hand. She's gonna do it. She's gonna do it. I'm shaking. What a beauty. Come on, you can go. Come on. Let that net sink a little bit. She sees the escape. There she goes. Oh! Worth all those hours. I just wish I could have got my guys on it the last couple days, but that's what winter steelheading on the eel is all about right there. My heart is beating, and it takes something for that. I either got to run like hell or see a mama bear and cubs or catch a wild steelhead. I feel alive right now. I love it. Come join me. There it is, already. It's right on me. There it is. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo. Suddenly the bite is on. Oh yeah. There he is. Now this one's about 8 or 9 pounds. Come on, honey. Nope, she doesn't want to be in that net. Sure doesn't want to go in. Okay, I couldn't have scripted it any better with that waterfall, but let's see if I can get her in the net. Oh, not that time. Oh, she's hot. She just isn't pulling quite enough to get line out, and I even loosened my drag just a little. Cardinal sin, right? Just letting that net sit there like it's a natural piece of the environment. And don't want to spook her with it. There we go. There we go. Easy, baby. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. Easy, baby. 2 and 20 minutes. I'm counting my blessings right now. Yeah. Happy guy. Nathan, David, and Walker. Thanks for joining me, guys. It was just, that's how timing goes. But man, here it is. Here's the promise of kayak fishing winter steelhead on the eel. This guy's got a line mark, or maybe a past scar. Beautiful. 8 pounds, I'd say. I'll stick to that. 28 inches or so. Alright, give it some line. See if I can get my tackle back real quick. Right in the corner of the mouth. Okay, baby. Alright, alright, alright. Come on. I love this real fine mesh net. Or she'd be hurting herself right now in a regular net. She's good. Right in the corner of the mouth. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, it's time to let this girl go. kind of kicking it in the humane net, and I like that. I really like this net. Oh, hey, she's 10 pounds. Yeah, look at that. Look at that scar on her back. It's a bad one, but she's healthy. She's beautiful. Bye, girl. Ah.